What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, man. Today, you seen the title. I got two Monte Carlos that I got to build now, man. We got one outside, and we got the other one right here, man. Yes, let's go. This is a Christmas gift. If you've seen the Christmas vlog, I don't think I posted the Christmas vlog. But this one is a gift. Thank you. Shout out to the person who bought me this, man. We're about to start building on it today. And I want y'all to, special guest, we got my mom. She's supporting me. Yeah. Alright, guys, yeah, I'm gonna do a little time lapse. I have never built one of these model cars. I think did you buy one when I was little?
I don't know.
I can't remember.
What?
Anyway, she's doing some extra noise in the background. Don't mind her. But we're about to get building on this today, man. I don't know. It says I'm gonna need some glue and paint and tools. What tools? Anyway, we're gonna get inside this thing, man, and see what we actually need to go get. I'm gonna run to the store and then we just do a full time lapse of the entire thing, and hopefully we can finish this within this video. If not, it'll be a part 2. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Let's get into this thing. Here's a front parts. I can tell this is the intake for the original 305. They got some Daytons in here, dog. Like, what? You don't see these things right here? That is crazy. Some freaking Daytons. Well, they probably ain't Daytons, but they some spokes. Yes, sir. This is gonna be crazy, man. I can't wait to build this. See if we can get it done today. Like paint codes, they have all that stuff in here, man. This is crazy. Paint codes, they got every single part numbered in here. Over 84 parts, or 85 including that. And then we just got every step-by-step part in here. Dang, they really like frame off building this thing, putting the engine block in there and everything, bolting it up to the trans. This is gonna be crazy, man. Without further ado, man, I ain't gonna hold on. Let's get right into this thing, man. Alright, guys, I have to run to the store to go get some glue, which they said on the requirements in the back of the box, because this starter, I don't know if you guys can see it, I'm trying to get as close as I can. That starter goes right beside right here. It has a little slit in it, but it's not snugging tight enough. So if you just slide the starter up there like that, which is how it's saying on the instructions, it's just gonna fall off. We don't want that. I want all my pieces to be solid and sticking, man. Yeah. So I'm gonna run to the store, get this glue. I actually might pick up some paint too. Yeah, we'll be right back. Alright, guys, we are back. I went and picked up some Gorilla gel, super glue gel, I guess. Hopefully that works, but we're back at it. Let's get back to this time lapse. Alright guys, as you can see, we are making progress. The engine is in. Yes, it's still light. I know I should have painted it, but I just got too excited, man. I couldn't paint it. I should have painted all these parts, but still going, man. Got the spokes done up, man. We almost halfway. Literally, we're on step 14, and I think it's 28 steps. Yes, 28 steps. Yeah. Still going, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on, so y'all gonna miss a lot of this content. But closer towards the end, I don't want to bore you guys out with this time lapse. So close to the end, I'll turn you guys back on when we're almost to the finish line. Alright guys, just an update. We are closer and closer to the end. Interior is done. I'm gonna go get some paint. Stay tuned to see what color we go with it for the interior. I'm gonna paint everything here black. I'm gonna try to cover up my covers, my valve covers, and my carburetor. And of course I'm gonna cover my rims. But I'm gonna paint the floor pan and the undercarriage black. And we're going a certain color with this car. Stay tuned, man. We almost there.
Pick up the phone.